everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1978 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro. It is a true Z. This car's got the look, guys. I love this color combination. This is the factory color. It's called dark blue green metallic, and then it's got the tan cloth interior. It's got that plaid pattern to it. Love it. Great car, guys. Good solid straight body. It's got 40, I think it's up to like 48,000 original miles on it. Again, car's a true Z. It's been resto modded, basically is what it is. It's got a 3-3 stroker motor underneath the hood. It's got a little bit of a built-up 350 trans with a 2000 stall. Four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. And killer car. Again, really nicely done. It's got about 1,500 miles on it since they've done the restoration. There's not a whole lot that you can really nitpick. They've done some very cool things. If you see this, they put some carbon fiber on it. But look at the paint. Gorgeous color. You can nitpick. You're going to see some little flexing here in the nose. So don't think the paint is perfect on it, but it is awfully nice. And again, don't think you're painting it. I just try to point out stuff when I see it, guys. So a lot of people are buying these cars sight unseen. They buy them through the videos and the pictures, and so I try to point out everything that I see. Love that interior. Seeing that, it's just a little dust on the back window. Guys had to re-wipe it down. They were waiting for me to shoot the pictures and stuff, so it gets dusty out here quick with all this construction we've got going on. Pretty car. Again, you can see how they put that carbon fiber on. I love the look of this car. Hits the road great. A lot of fun to drive. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Little flex there too. You can see it's got the correct chrome Z28 tips on it. These are 17-inch ZR rated rubber all the way around it. 17x9. American Racing torque thrust on the wheel, on the rears, and then there's 17.7s on the front. Again, four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Dual sport mirrors. Good running GM Performance 3-3 stroker motor. Holley Performance 4-barrel. Edelbrock aluminum intake. You can see it's got a serpentine pulley system. Does have air blows ice cold. Ceramic headers. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Again, 350 turbohydramatic trans with a 2000 stall in it. Pretty. I love the striping. I mean, this car just jumps out to me. And coming down the road, it looks like $1 million, man. Looks great. Again, dual sport mirrors. Again, little carbon fiber trim. Original door decal. You can see the door seams are clean. This is all new legendary stuff. The interior's all new legendary interior. I love this stuff. Killer color combo. Power windows, power locks. Headliner looks good. That's for your Bluetooth and the radio. Bucket seats, center console. They put a B&M ratchet shifter in there. Tilt column with a billet wheel. You have 48,302. That's your original miles on this car. Factory tach and gauges. Again, custom sound system. Dash looks great. It's dual exhaust. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the 10-bolt, I think 342 posi rear axle with a rear sway bar. Turn the key, take it right to the car show, man. That's your original owner's manual and some stuff on the radio. I think it's also got keyless entry. Floors are nice and clean. I mean, this is a nice car. And a killer look. Tell you one thing, you definitely could not build this car for what we're asking it for. I can tell you that right now. I mean, look how nice the interior is. You got a little clock on there, it works. Again, runs and drives just as sweet as can be, guys. See the air, maybe just kick the air on, it blows cold. Somebody's getting a great car right here, I'll tell you that. Oh, it's got electric cutouts. Nathan just opened those. New lighting in there. Tach's functional. See, your gauges are all functional. Fit and finish is really nice. That is a killer car, man. Power windows, it's got tinted glass in it. Custom radio. Oh, okay. It does have Bluetooth. It's a great car. Great car. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.